Well, India is all set to bid a final farewell to the legendary MiG-21, the iconic fighter jet that has guarded our skies for over 6 decades. On September 26th, which is today, number 23 Squadron, the Panthers, will take the MiG-21 into the skies for one last time before the aircraft retires from its services. The choice of choosing Chandigarh for the farewell is also symbolic in nature, because it was here back in 1963 that India first inducted its very first MiG-21, a jet that went on to become the backbone of the Indian Air Force. From outclassing Pakistani Sabre in 1965 war to striking enemy targets in 1971, the MiG-21 carved a reputation for speed, agility and also power. Over its lifetime, it logged an astonishing 1.6 million flying colors across thousands of missions.
The tricolor canopy is Master Warrant Officer C.K. Krishna with more than 1,200 jumps to his credit. A living legend in the sky.
We got the visuals coming in from Chandigarh. Today is Friday, September 26th. This is the last day we will be looking at our MiG-21s decorating our skies. Very fighter jets who have guarded us for 6 long decades, roaring in our skylines. This is certainly an end of an era for the Indian Air Force, one that has lasted over 6 decades. Today, the MiG-21, that most redoubtable of fighter jets, the hero of our 4 armed conflicts with Pakistan, will make its last flight, tipping its wing in a somber yet joyful salute to the generations of pilots it trained and with whom it flew into deadly dogfights. Those who piloted it remember not just the roaring firepower of MiG-21, but have also saluted the courage of the power these jets have shown us.
And now, ladies and gentlemen,
the legacy of MiG-21, a Soviet-era fighter that should have been rendered absolute years ago by newer and also flashier rivals, will be that of a war horse that became synonymous with the country's Air Force. For so many years, Air Force, the name went parallelly, was synonymous to MiG-21s. The name MiG-21 was known to every child of this country. Apt for executing attack, defense, reconnaissance missions for decades. Let's take the chat forward. Defense strategy expert, Air Commodore Dr. Ashminder Singh, also joining us, former Joint Director DRDO and IAF officer, retired Group Captain V. N. Jha, and defense expert of Air Force retired Squadron Leader Deepti Kala. Thank you so much everyone for speaking to News 9. We are literally saying the goodbye to our very favorite, the jets that have, beautified our skies, rode in our skies for 6 decades. Squadron Leader Deepti Kala, let me first come to you. How do you feel about today?
So this is a beautiful day wherein I should start talking about a statement that I've thought of for the aircraft, that we are not just retiring an aircraft, we are saying goodbye to a teacher that has trained the generations of Indian pilots. The MiG-21's legacy is in the people it has made. So, it's 6 decades is not a small time. It has fought for the country. It has saved the motherland for so many battles that we've had. And it has created the legacy of Squadron Leader Ajay Ahuja, who was, the aircraft was shot down in the Batalik sector, but then his legacy is continued. The martyrdom has converted into the courage of our pilots in the Indian Air Force. MiG-21 has a beautiful history, if I say so, because It was inducted in 1963, and with the version that we had in the 1963, it continued till 1996. Imagine the number of years it has served, the number of millions of hours it has on its name, and yet it was so much robust. And then there came 1996, after around 30 years, when we had a feeling that yes, probably now the aircraft is aging. And then we had MiG-21 Bison, the upgraded version of it. There's another smaller part of it, which, though today is the farewell of MiG-21, I think the people who have flown, the pilots who have flown MiG-21 are the most courageous, because it has taken the most of our lives, unfortunately, in the Indian Air Force. More than 200 pilots we've lost in MiG-21 crashes. It has, in fact, this is the aircraft which has the most number of crashes on its name. However, it is meant, we are, when we are in the military, we don't count the number of crashes, we count the number of martyrism that we have had for the country, for the motherland. So it's indeed a very, very, in fact, for all the pilots who have flown this particular aircraft, and for all the technical officers who have worked on this particular aircraft, I'm sure it must be an emotional day for them. It has served in all the major connecting engagements in 1965, 1971, 1999, and it has proved itself in the combat each and every time. And it has been a very costly machine in the peacetime. However, today the ceremonial farewell on 26, I think it was overdue. I'm very happy in the inside that it is happening, because it was really overdue. The machine has lived its life very well, very courageously. It has given us the most courageous pilots in the Indian Air Force. So we bid farewell to MiG-21. Over to you.